Welcome back, guys. So this week we're going to try and get all this roof finished because scaffold's coming down on Friday, so we need to get it all done and dusted, and hopefully at the end of this video you'll be able to see this build without any scaffold on. But for today we're just doing ridge tiles. We've just done up there. They all need just a brush down because it's all going nice and white, so that's ready for brushing down. And we're going to sort out this side here. So I'm going to show you how I like to do it, and we'll get them on. So this end here, I could shove that fully up, but then I've got rain hitting this, and it's a risk of it going back in, so I don't want to do that. So we're going to end it here. So what I'll do is we'll just cut this we'll follow this angle up. So I'll just trim that off, and then I'll trim other side off, following this angle. I'm just going to have it like that then, and we'll point it in, and then it gives plenty for water to come down and just run straight down, because if I pull it right up, sometimes it gets water trapped, and I don't want to be doing that. So I made a nice job of this for it to run off, so that's what we're going to do on that side. So we'll get this cut, bedded on. We need one bedded on and other, and then we're going to string a line up. Right, let's crack on. So it looks like I need to come out a bit with this cement. See if right here in a bit, look at it. Alright, I'll try this on. What's it looking like for line at your side, Tim? Alright?
Yeah, just need to go down a bit more at that end.
Yeah, I'll get level on then.
Top end.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's level. So I've got my cement pretty stiff. It's a lot stiffer than what I'd use for laying bricks with. It just seems to be a lot better. You get less cracking, and they're quite heavy, so you can push them. They do push down. If your cement's too wet, they'll just sink. That's one on. We'll bed the other side on. Just line that up so we can get some. Right there'll do, I think. Level that. Right, that's them two ends on. I like to let it go off a bit, so I'll get a few down before I start doing any pointing. But we're using probably half a bucket full at one, and then I'll pack all this back. Get plenty in joint so it never shows through at any point. Right, we'll get a line on. So when I put line on, I've already put it on that end. I like it on this little lip here. Just getting it to stick though at that point, it's a hard bit. Shove that right in there. So that's how I like it. I just put one line on one side, because it makes it a lot easier if you put one line on. And then I'll just put level on in a minute, you'll see me, and then I just level back in and just use line up front to keep me straight. I can get this through here. Right, that'll right, we'll bed one on and I'll show you how bed one on. Alright, so I get that in. Make sure it's something touching the line. Tap this side down. And then we'll get level on. Widen that out a little bit. I get level on, and then instead of putting a line up back, I just use level. And just roll it in. And it usually works out alright like that. And that's it. That's all I do all the way down. So crack on. Last one, right, 40.
Nice. That's nearly as old as what you are.
Get on. Super duper. Oh, I just got to finish pointing off on it there. There we go, that's that one we did this morning. And this is that one, we got levelled through to that end. I'll show you at that end and we'll level up that line. So this is the side we used the line on. So we got it nice and straight, look with line. So that side we'd used the line on, and that side we levelled on. But I mean, if you're doing an old roof and your roof ain't level, then just put your level back in van and just string a line on both sides. So yeah, just use two lines if your roof's out. But yeah, so that's it. Ridge tiles are done. So that's it, scaffold's down. We've just got conduit gutter, and there's a bit of leading on the chimney to do because it just started chucking it down. I tried putting it in that end and it all just started washing out. But yeah, we've only got a few bits to do up there now. And this is it, this is this side. So it's absolutely massive, but the camera don't look as big on camera as it does on in real life. Well, it's 3-story high. We've got this side on, and we just needed the downpipes, but we've got loads of drains to put in. 2 bathroom drains to put in. So there's quite a lot of work to do here. All this needs digging off quite a bit. I don't know how much, probably about 200. And then it comes lower at this side. Look, it drops down here. It's because that's your damp proof there. So we're alright there, but all that in there is really high, so all that has to come down. So we're gonna have to do that one at days. All windows are in. Cable's done on that side. So we've got so we'll walk around this side. I never show this side, do I, on video? So we'll show this side. Have a quick look. Yeah, it really rained on Friday, so that's the leading that I've been doing on the chimney up there. Look, just been doing that today off ladder, but that side's done. So yeah, so good. I'm really happy with it. It looks absolutely stunning. These stones, you just like, even with you know, they just look perfect because they're all dusted up, so when you brush it, even if you drop snots on them, it just brushes off. There's just this bit here, look, see that, where I haven't done along scaffold boards at bottom, but it literally just, you just brush it off and you just can't see it at all. So we'll get that off. I think that's all the way around actually, that. I've done other 2 floors, like they've all been scattered off where boards were. So we've just got that to clean up. But yeah, so that's it. So we're going to be doing drains soon, and we're going to be doing all the inside. So we'll take you a look on inside of what we've been doing on inside so far, and then yeah, we'll crack on with that. There's absolutely loads to do. Floors to do, walls to do, all sorts. I'll show you around next time anyway. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. See you in the next one.